What's the solution? The papads have become soft and moist. Papads which have been soft and moist should be kept in the sun for drying. Drying method involves removal of water content moisture from the foodstuffs. Fruits like mangoes, amlas, guavas and vegetables like peas, onions, tomatoes, fenugreek are needed all year round. They are available in plenty only in certain seasons. To prevent large quantities of fruit and vegetables from getting spoiled and to enjoy them all year round, different methods of food preservation are used. By drying, cooling, and placing them in airtight containers to prevent the microorganisms from growing as per the requirements, we can preserve fruits and vegetables and fulfill our requirements for the whole year. Use your brain power. Semolina, shevaya do not get spoiled for a very long time, but kheer made from them spoils easily. Why is this so? Semolina, shevaya is made by drying them in the sun. Hence, they do not have moisture in them and can be stored for a long time as microorganisms are unable to grow in them. But kheer is made using milk. Milk can spoil soon. Therefore, kheer made from semolina spoils quickly. Find and correct the wrong statements. When something is boiled, the microorganisms in it are destroyed. Correct. A food does not get spoiled when microorganisms begin to grow in it. Incorrect. Correct statement. A food gets spoiled when microorganisms begin to grow in it. Foodstuffs dried in summer cannot be used for the rest of the year. Incorrect. Correct statement. Foodstuffs dried in summer can be used for the rest of the year. Foodstuffs get warmed when put in a fridge. Incorrect. Correct statement. Foodstuffs get cool temperature when put in a fridge. Answer the following questions. What are the different methods of preserving food? Drying, cooling, boiling and canning foodstuffs as also adding preservatives to them are the different methods of preserving food. Why do we avoid eating food that has got spoiled? We should avoid eating spoiled food because it can cause stomach ache, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. Why do we make jams from fruits? Fruits cannot stay fresh for a longer period of time. In order to preserve them, various food preservatives like sugar is added to it. By preserving the fruits by adding sugar, we can get jams even after the season of fruits is over. Hence, we make jams from fruits. What are preservatives? Certain substances are added to jams and pickles to preserve them for a long time. They are called preservatives. Sugar, salt, asafoetida, ink, mustard, oil and vinegar are examples of preservatives. Find out the names of the different spices. Also find out which part of their plant they are. Cinnamon is obtained from the bark. Ginger is obtained from the ginger root. Cumin is obtained from a fruit. Peppercorns are derived from berries. Nigella is extracted from the seed. Clove is the flower bud of a tree. Can you tell? When do we say that foodstuff is spoiled? What changes are seen in it? The foodstuff smells foul and have unpleasant appearance. There is even growth of fungus on foodstuffs. Changes that occur in spoiled food. Taste changes. Color of the food change. Presence of black, white patch fungus on food. Unpleasant smell. Nutritive value reduces. Is the time in which foodstuffs get spoiled different in different seasons? Yes, the time in which the foodstuffs get spoiled is different in different seasons. Spoilage of any foodstuffs depends on the presence of temperature and humidity of the environment. Therefore, in winter, foodstuffs are preserved for a long time than summer season. Which foodstuffs get spoiled most quickly? Milk and milk products, fruits, vegetables, etc. are the foodstuffs which get spoiled most quickly. What measures are taken to keep the foodstuffs in the house in good conditions for as long as possible? We can keep the foodstuffs in the refrigerator. Some foodstuffs can be dried, fried, etc., and stored for a long period.